What's good, Tiff?
Get your coffee, get your tea, get whatever it is that you drink. And let's get into it, y'all. So, I will link everything that I purchased in this kit in the description box below. But let's start with this. This is a smaller box that I seen on top, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this first. I did like the build your own acrylic kit, and then they had the other kit where you can get more. So I have a base and a top coat. I'm gonna have like 2 top coats because of that, because I did 2 different bundles. So I ended up getting this one, Baby Boo. I also got the Perfect Nude. We have Snow Bunny, Encouragement, and then I have Clear hand sanitizer monomer. I'm gonna be excited to try this one. Look at these little cute bottles, y'all. They too cute. Look at that. This is the 16 fluid ounces. This is packed really well. Thank you, Sandra. So it came with these files: rectangle, 100, 100, buffer block, sanding bands, medium sanding bands, black fine grip, cuticle oil, lavender scent. Look at how cute, girl. Oh, that smells so good. Look at all the drill bits that come in here. Girl, look at this. You see how cute that is. 17. All right. Look at all these bits. I ordered some more jelly tips, stiletto, medium, square tips. They didn't upgrade it, girl. Do you see the logo? Long enough for me. Probably not for anybody else, but I don't like my nails like super, super long. Ta-ta. Do you? You see me, girl. You see me. You see me. Look what we did here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm not gonna open this up in this video. Yes, come on, come through. Yes, honey, yes. So yes, you have to invest in yourself and invest in your business. Stay tuned to the channel. If you have not, do follow me on my social sites, and I'll leave more unboxing videos up in this eye right here in the upper right hand corner of this video. So stay tuned to this channel, Boss Chicks. I told you I was going to come back with more. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.